When people are struggling, they can get into a downward spiral. Motivation goes down, belief goes down, and it's very hard to pick them back up again. And often, when they're really struggling, they give up. They say, I can't do it. It's beyond me. Now, you can't fire people for that. You've got to work with them. You've got to resurrect them to be able to do it. You've got to encourage them to believe they can do it. So when people are struggling, look for every opportunity to encourage them. Look for every opportunity to bolster their self-belief. Help them think, well, I can do it. Maybe it'll take a little bit longer. Maybe it'll need a little bit more preparation. Maybe it'll need a little bit of help. But unless you want to be doing everything, you need people around you to help you. So use encouragement. If they're struggling with something, help them to believe they can overcome this problem. They can be successful. They can be capable. They can make it happen. But it's got to come from you. And what you don't want to be doing is pointing out their mistakes, pointing out their errors, pointing out their lack of capability. Flip it around. Look for things you can praise. Look for things you can encourage. And keep encouraging them. Do not buy back the accountability. So you've got to do it. Leave the accountability with them, but help them step up to the mark and be able to do it themselves.